Imagine this, it's 2024 and the housing market is buzzing with opportunity, but also a few challenges. You're ready to buy your first home, that perfect place for your family or your next investment. But where do you start? Hi, I'm your guide at Real Estate Radar, here to walk you through the home buying process with insider tips tailored just for you. Today, we'll cover navigating the market, smart budgeting, finding the right property, and sealing the deal confidently. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by real estate jargon or market fluctuations, stick with me. By the end, you'll feel empowered and ready to take the leap. Let's dive in. Pause first, understanding the current market landscape is key. The 2024 home buying market is resilient, with interest rates stabilizing around 6 to 7% according to recent Freddie Mac data, creating buyer-friendly windows in many areas. But inventory is still tight, so competition remains. For first-time buyers like you, focusing on growing markets with strong job sectors, think tech hubs or family-oriented suburbs can give you an edge. Don't chase hype. Look for properties where values have appreciated steadily over the last 5 years. Relate this to your life. If you're upgrading from renting, this could mean saving thousands in long-term equity. We'll break down how to spot these trends without getting lost in the numbers. Next, let's talk about the foundation of any purchase, your budget. Pause. Getting your finances in order is the first real step. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. Start by assessing your income, debts, and savings. Aim to keep your housing costs under 28% of your gross monthly income. That's a solid rule from financial experts. Factor in closing costs, which can add 2 to 5% to your purchase price, and don't forget ongoing expenses like maintenance or HOA fees. For our audience in their 30s to 50s, consider life stage. Kids' education funds or retirement planning? Use online tools like mortgage calculators to pre-qualify early. A real example. Sarah, a 42-year-old teacher, saved 20% down by cutting unnecessary subscriptions. Simple changes add up. This step builds your confidence and shows sellers you're serious. Now that your budget is set, it's time to search for that dream home. Pause. Let's explore how to find the right property without wasting time. Finding your dream property starts with clarity on your needs. Make a list. Do you need 3 bedrooms for a growing family or a fixer-upper for investment potential? In 2024, prioritize locations with good schools, low crime, and commute times under 30 minutes. Data shows this boosts resale value by up to 10%. Partner with a trusted real estate agent experienced in first-time buys. They can access off-market listings. Use apps like Zillow or Redfin to filter searches, but always visit in person to feel the vibe. Picture this. Walking into a home where the kitchen feels just right for family dinners. Avoid the trap of falling for the first pretty house. Stick to your must-haves. With your search strategy in place, next up, securing financing. Pause. Understanding loans can seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Financing your home purchase begins with getting pre-approved for a mortgage. It strengthens your offers in a competitive market. In 2024, explore FHA loans for lower down payments if you're a first-timer, or conventional if your credit is strong above 680. Interest rates hover around 6.5%, but shop around. Even a 0.25% difference saves thousands over 30 years. Gather your docs early: pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements. A tip for our midlife buyers: if self-employed, highlight stable income trends. Remember Tom, 48, who switched lenders and dropped his rate by half a point? That's real savings. Avoid pitfalls like maxing your debt-to-income ratio at 43%. With financing sorted, you're ready for inspections. Pause. This crucial step protects your investment. Let's cover what to look for. Home inspections are your safety net. Budget $300, $500 for a thorough one. Hire a certified inspector to check structural integrity, plumbing, electrical, and roof condition. In 2024's market, older homes may have outdated systems. Insist on radon and mold tests too. Walk through with them to learn the home's quirks. If issues arise, negotiate repairs or credits. Sellers often agree to keep the deal moving. For families, prioritize safety features like smoke detectors and secure fencing. This step saved Lisa, 39, from buying a property with hidden foundation cracks worth $20,000 in fixes. Don't skip it to save time. Peace of mind is priceless. Now on to making an offer. Pause. Negotiating smartly is where deals are won. Crafting a strong offer means balancing competitiveness with your budget. In hot 2024 markets, include a pre-approval letter and offer 1 to 3% above asking if needed, but cap at what you can afford. Personalize with an escalation clause for bidding wars. Always include contingencies for inspection and appraisal. Your agent will guide contingencies, but no appraisals might come in low. Be prepared to cover the gap or renegotiate. A relatable story: Mike, 52, won his investment property by waiving minor contingencies after a clean inspection. Timing matters. Submit midweek for faster responses. This phase tests your resolve, but staying calm pays off. As we build toward closing, let's discuss appraisals next. Pause, ensuring the home's value matches your offer. The appraisal confirms the home's market value. Your lender orders it to protect their investment. Expect it at 95 to 100% of your offer in balanced markets, but 2024's fluctuations could vary. If it's low, provide comps of similar sold homes to challenge it or renegotiate price. For buyers like you, focusing on well-maintained properties minimizes this risk. It costs about $400, but it's essential. Think of it as an objective check against emotional buying. With this cleared, you're nearing the finish line. Up next, the climax of challenges: handling competition. Pause. In a tight market, how do you stand out? Competition is the biggest hurdle in 2024. With low inventory, multiple offers are common. To win, be decisive. View homes quickly and submit offers within 24 to 48 hours. Strengthen your bid with a larger earnest money deposit, say 1 to 2%, showing commitment. Consider flexible closing dates to suit the seller. If cash buyers dominate, highlight your quick financing. A strategy for our audience: target up-and-coming neighborhoods where competition is lighter, like suburban expansions. Remember, it's not always about the highest bid. Sellers value reliable buyers. This is where your preparation shines, turning potential frustration into triumph. Overcoming this leads to the final push. Pause now, mastering the closing process. Closing is the exciting payoff, typically 30 to 45 days after offer acceptance. Review your HUD-1 statement for final costs. Walk through the home one last time to ensure conditions are met. Sign everything carefully. Deed, mortgage docs, title, insurance. Expect to wire funds for down payment and fees. In 2024, watch for last-minute rate locks if rates dip. For families, this moment means stability. For investors, potential returns. Hire a real estate attorney if your state requires it for extra protection. Common pitfall: overlooking prorated taxes. Calculate ahead. As keys exchange hands, you've conquered the market. With challenges behind, let's recap. Pause. You've got the tools, now act on them. We've journeyed from market insights and budgeting to inspections, offers, and closing the deal. Key takeaways: prepare your finances early, partner with pros, inspect thoroughly, and stay patient in competition. In 2024, opportunities abound for smart buyers, whether building family memories or growing wealth through property. You've learned to navigate rising rates and low inventory with confidence. Remember Sarah, Tom, Lisa, and Mike? Their stories show real people succeeding just like you can. This process isn't just transactional, it's transformative, alleviating fears and opening doors. If affordability worries you, start small with pre-approval today. As we wrap up, feel that empowerment. Pause. Your next step awaits. Let's make it happen. Congratulations, you're now equipped to thrive in the 2024 home buying market. Recap: solid budget, targeted search, strong financing, diligent inspections, savvy negotiations, and smooth closing. These steps turn dreams into reality, easing common anxieties like market volatility or decision overwhelm. For our 36 to 55 crowd, this could mean a secure nest or savvy investment. Take action. Consult a local agent this week, review your credit, and explore listings. We'd love to hear your questions in the comments. Have you faced buying challenges? Like this video if it helped, subscribe to Real Estate Radar for weekly tips on property insights, and ring the bell for notifications. Your home journey starts now. Here's to your success. Thanks for watching.